What's going on, people? Hopefully I can do a quick chat right now and just go over a couple of charts real quick before y'all guys go to bed. Go over some quick charts. Alrighty. I don't know if this chat thing is working yet. I don't see nobody in it. I'm just waiting for people to come in. Hey, what's going on, Crypto Inspo? What's going on, MJ? What's going on, Cupcake? Alrighty. So MJ, you said you finally made a live stream. So what's going on, Lars? What's going on, TP? It's working. Everybody hear me clear, loud and clear? My audio is good. Tim, I'm here, Big Ben. What's up, Tony? D said, hey man, just wanted to thank you again. I just got your course just before the drop. No, thank you, man. Thank you for your support. Appreciate it. Anyway, guys, can you hear me? Okay, you said hear it loud and clear. Okay, no problem. All right, just making sure. What's going on, Anthony, Lars? Good time to buy Tron. Oh, Mary, are you new to the stream? Walmart shopper. Yeah, Walmart in the house. What's going on? Tim. Ahmad, what's going on? Walter. Hey, what's going on? You said Walter, hey, double B? We mean double bottom? All right, so let's get this thing started. If you are new to my channel, my name is Big Ben. I'm a professional investor, professional trader. This is what I do full time. I trade Monday through Friday. So I just basically tell people how to read the charts. This is how I make my money, reading the charts. I specialize in reading the charts. So I help my subscribers to learn how to read the charts so they can actually start making money too. So right now, Bitcoin is in a bear market, and I've been basically telling you guys, my subscribers, what is this, in March, January, February, March, as soon as it reacted to this trend line, we was in a bear market. So recently I came out with a course and basically showing people how to, make money in a bear market. So right now, to me, there's no good buys right now, in my opinion, because we are in a bear market, and I believe we'll probably go lower. Okay, so Ruben, are you new to my channel? Because Ruben says people say TA in crypto is no good. Ruben, TA, you can use it in any market. So you can't listen to other people, because I do this full time, Ruben. I've been doing it for 10 years. I created a course. You can ask the people that bought the course, and they know that this stuff works. It's patterns in the charts that repeat over and over and over. So it doesn't matter if it's crypto. It doesn't matter if it's Forex, the stock market. The patterns are the same on the charts. So yes, TA does work in the crypto market. Gauntlet, what's going on, Gauntlet? Yes, so TA does work. This is okay. So basically, guys, let me just get this out of the way. I'm out the trade. Remember this trade right here? I was looking for 15,000. I'm out the trade. So I got my 7.5. What do you call this? 7.5 ratio. So 7 times and a half my money. So I'm out 15K, guys. I was gonna wait until it hit below this mark, but I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take my money. So this trade right here is 7 times my money. I told you guys way before it started to drop, so this is not like, you know, anything bogus. I didn't think I was gonna get my profit this quick, but you know, it is what it is. You know, you take your profit and you run. But 7 times your money in a half. No bank in the world can give you 7 times your money. And let's see how long this was. This was 4th, so we talking about in a week. In a week, 7 times your money in a half. No bank in the world can give you that. No job in the world can give you that. So this stuff works. The pattern that I use to make this trade is the same pattern that is in my course. You know, let me zoom in a little bit. Market tried to make a new, a high, but it couldn't. Sell below this, bang, I'm out. So guys, you know, I show you this stuff in real time. So you can actually see what's going on. So let's go to the chat room and see what's going on. Connor, I use jaffax.com, and if you didn't get my course yet, so Ron, you said 110. What do you mean? You talking about the course, the discount? You talking about? No, I don't use Kraken. I use Cranking. I don't use that. I use how much is the course? Connor said, how much is the course? Well, Crypto Inspo. You said don't do it. What do you mean by that? Okay, so Crypto Inspo said he wants me to raise the price to 350 because right now the price is at 210. He want me to raise it at 350 because he bought the course, and this is why I raised my price up originally, and because people have been telling me, yo man, this course is worth way more than what you're giving it for. So you know, that's why I bumped. Originally it was 150, but now I bumped it up to 210. But on my stream, I give it out for I give it a discount. So I know Crypto Inspo is probably don't want me to do it right now, and I definitely understand. But this is only for my the live stream guys. So somebody said, what's included in the course? Listen, this course is recession proof. So basically, I show you how to make money when the market is going up and when the market is going down, right? So for the most part, most people right now are losing money in the crypto world right now. And my subscribers, I'm telling my subscribers, listen, forget about losing money. You can actually make money now. So in my course, I showed you how to make money like this. This is a trade that I told you guys I was in Thursday on Thursday. I took this trade before Thursday, but I told you guys I'm in this and I'm looking to make 10 to 15 grand. And this is way before the price dropped, and I already locked in my 15. So I'm out of this trade. So this was less than a week, 15 grand. And most people on YouTube are losing money. Most YouTubers are saying, don't worry guys, just hold it, stick it in, just, you know, stay calm, be patient. What I'm saying is forget about all that stuff. You can actually make money now. So what's in this course, you can actually I show you what patterns that I use, because this pattern that I use to make money with this is the same patterns that's in this course. So let me get this discount right now, because y'all keep on asking me about this course. So let's get this over with right now. So whoever's in this room right now, you get a discount, a 50% discount. I give you the link right now to the course, and that's it. People that already bought the course, they told me, if you looked at the last live stream, they told me that they're already making money. And so crypto inspo want me to raise the price to 350. Trust me, crypto inspo, I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about raising the price, crypto inspo. I'm thinking about raising the price, man. Trust me. Because people don't understand. I'm showing you how to make money in real time, way before it even happened. No crypto on this planet is showing you that. And this is the only course on the market that's showing you how to make money when the market is going up or down. So I understand what crypto inspo is saying. He don't want me to give nobody a discount. Oh man, that's funny. He want me to raise it. He probably want me to raise it for 350 and then give you a 210 discount. And I understand what he's saying. And Eric says too, stop giving discounts. Oh man, it's funny. Cupcake, this guy course is legit. Thank you, Cupcake. Thank you. So Eric, your course is worth all the money. Thanks. So let's go back to the charts, guys. Let's go back to the charts. I already gave you the link, so that's up to you. I might take your guys' advice and raise the price, but right now I'm trying to convince people how to make money going down, and sometimes it's hard because all they know is buy and hold. So right now, if you look at BTC, we have another red day. So remember what I said yesterday, I think all week is going to we're going to have a red week this whole week. So the way I'm looking at it is probably tomorrow is probably going to be another red day. It could bounce a little bit, but we'll see. But I think the whole week is going to be a red week, and we might test this low right here on the bottom, wipe everybody out, you know. So Kill Switch said, is the course a video? Yes, it's a video course. It's a video course showing you how to read the charts and how to make money with the charts when the market is going up and down. All right, so yes, it's a video course. And you can download it onto. You said, where do I go? I give you the link. I gave you the link. This is Don. This is the link right here. I just gave you the link, Don. You can download the course onto your laptop so you can watch it anytime, and that's it. Okay, so Eric said, I made good money today because of you. That's good. I'm glad you're making money, Eric. See, that Eric is a guy that bought my course, and he said he's making good money just because of me. So it's, this is people that's telling you. It's not me just talking. It's people on the live stream telling you this. So anyway, let's go back to the chart. So this is Tron. Ever since Tron hit this resistance line, that's it. The sellers came in and it went, because remember, Tron wasn't following BTC, right? So this is why I was telling my subscribers, listen, guys, you have to learn how to take profits. And a lot of people, email me and say, man, I wish I listened. I didn't take any profits on Tron Trx, and now, it's going back down. So we had a resistance line right here. Sellers came in, and then now it's just sellers going crazy. So at one point Tron wasn't even going with Bitcoin, and I told you guys that you have to be careful because eventually Tron will catch up with Bitcoin and start to follow Bitcoin, and that's what happened, right? It found resistance and then start to go down. So right now it's going down with Bitcoin, and we don't even know how far this thing can go, right? So let's go to some more charts. This is Ethereum Classic. The other day, some news came out with Coinbase. It shot up real quick, but next thing you know, we have a red bar right here, and most likely is going to continue to go back down. It just shot up one bar, and if you look at this bar right here, it's not a strong bar. You know, this bar is not strong because it just shot up, right, and it closed in the middle. It didn't even hold the whole close, so it went up all the way up to here, and then it went right back to the middle. And next thing you know is a red bar the next day. So to me, that's not strong at all. So let's go to the chat. Let's see what's going on. So you said how many pages in the PDF? What do you mean PDF? My course is not a PDF. Tim just bought it, Big Ben. Thanks a lot, Tim. Thanks for your support. Costo is not a PDF. It's a video file. Eric said I shorted. You short Tron today, Eric? Tron, Eric, you short Tron today? Yes, Gonlick. You're right. Stick to his message. All right. So let's see. 45 said, I've been watching your vids for a while. Your last two lives, I like your style, honest, straight to the point, no sugarcoating. My question is, I need a set amount. You said, do I need a set amount? Okay, so what do you mean, do you need a set amount for what? 45, what do you mean by do you need a set amount? So Eric says, tired of losing money from TRX. Okay, so you should. Okay, so Eric, you was tired of losing money from TRX, so you shorted. That's good. I'm glad you're making money. I'm glad you're making money. Yes, Lars, you can short Tron with the Lars. Didn't you get my course? You should know. javfax.com. You can short that. Oh, Don said I just bought it. Thanks a lot, Don. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it. Trust me. You don't understand. I do. Richard says, thanks for preaching to take profits. I took profits on TRX 10 days ago. You're welcome. You're welcome, Richard. I mean, Ricardo. I'm sorry. Ricardo Edwards. You're welcome. Ron said, okay, Ben, I bought it. I'm excited. Yes, I'm excited for you too. This is what I do, guys. I do this full time. So let's go to some other charts. Matter of fact, let's read the chat room a little bit more. So Alvaro said, how long is it? I really want to get involved. How long? What is the course? It's probably around, I don't know, 2 hours. It's not that long. I gave you the link. I pasted it one more time. I gave it to you. So 45 said yes to invest. How much you need? You don't to open an account at javfax.com, you only need $50 to open an account, but you don't. Of course, you probably want more to put in. Of course, you probably want to put more, but I'm not giving you no financial advice. This is entertainment only. But it's up to you. 45. If you feel that 500 is a good enough, then that's on you. If you feel 1,000 is good enough, I don't know. I don't know your situation, so it's very hard for me to But you know, I know a lot of people start with $100. I know people start with $500. I know people start with 1,000. So at the end of the day, it's up to you. So Crypto Inspo says, listen to the first course at least 3 times already. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. He said 350. Guys, I might have to raise the price because Crypto Inspo is telling me to 350. Oh man, that's crazy. Amazing course, Ben. Love it. Thank you, Raw. Thank you, Raw. Okay, so let's get back to the charts, right? So just to let you guys know, if you are new, guys, if you are new to my channel, right, and you hear me talk like this, because I think most, if you're new and you hear me talk like this, because you hear my subscribers, me and my subscribers making money, right? You might, it's just probably too much information for you right now, because you probably are used to buying and holding, and that's it. Because most YouTubers, they only preach hodl, right? They only preach buy and hold. So when you are on my live stream right now, you probably be saying, "Oh my gosh, what is this guy talking about?" So this is let you guys know that I'm not a bear, meaning that I don't hate crypto. I'm holding crypto just like you, but I am a professional trader and I'm a professional investor. So what a professional investor does is basically he has to make money every single year, right? So in order for me to pay my mortgage, pay my bills, right, I can't just continue to lose money. So when a trend starts to change, when the market turns to a bear market, right, and you notice that, you have to stop thinking about buying and you have to start thinking about, okay, how can I short this market? Because the way the market is looking, it looks like it's going to, you know, continue to go back, well, further, continue to go down more. So what I do as a professional, I have to say, okay, you know what, my portfolio is going down. Is this a bear market? So the confirmation that I got was, you know, around here. So when this major trend right here, the trend line came, and the market reacted to this trend line and went all the way back down, I would say, okay, we are in a bear market, because there's no way the market should have reacted to that that trend line. So I alerted my subscribers, listen, guys, we are in a bear market, and I've been telling you guys. But recently, I actually came out with a course, and trust me, I could have came out with a course, but I was just too lazy. I remember making a video about that, saying I was too lazy, you know, trying to make this course, because that's not my main thing. I don't make courses like that. So anyway, I made a course last week, and I told you guys, hey man, listen, you can actually make money now, because most people right now are either depressed, they are losing faith, right? I see a lot of people say, man, I'm losing faith. I remember reading a comment saying, a guy said, listen, if the market continued to go down 3 months from now, he said he's wiped out. He's going broke. He's done. So you have these people that are heavy in, you know, they heavy in crypto right now, and they losing their shirt. So I'm telling you guys, there's another way, right? There's another way. And your favorite YouTuber is not telling you the other way, because he can't tell you that, because he's not doing this for a living. He's doing YouTube for a living. So I'm saying, guys, listen, you can make money while the market is going down, because we don't even know when the bull market is going to come back. You know, it could be another 2 years from now, because according to history, Bitcoin crashed 2013, and it started recovering around 2015. So that was 2 years, and that was last year with a unregulated market. So I'm saying, guys, what if that happens again? What if Bitcoin decides to not recover, you know, another 2 years from now? Are you willing to wait that long? Are you willing to suffer? or are you willing, or do you want to make money now? So for you guys that's new to my stream, this is what I teach my subscribers. So like I said, most of you guys probably are going to be confused, but we are making money right now, and that's it. So let's go back to the comments and see what's going on. Somebody want me to make my course $400. That's crazy. I mean, I should. I definitely should. I definitely should. You know what? I'm thinking about it too, because I'm the only guy on the market showing you how to make money when the market's going up and down. So you're right. I do have a exclusive product, and there should be more. So Laylo say, but how? What do you mean, but how? Ashley said, there's two. I trade. You trade, Ashley. You trade currencies too, forex. Forex and crypto is pretty much the same thing. You said trading inspo. You said 68. We passed the 68 6800. So crypto inspo. What do you mean by that? We passed 6800. Okay, guys, I'm reading the comments, so my fault if you don't hear me talking. Crypto inspo said, get the course and find out. Dom, you must be charging Ripple. You said you must change the Ripple symbol. There's a new one now. It is. Ripple. He said it's a new Ripple symbol. Will you let me know? I'm on CoinMarketCap right now. Let's see. XRP. It says XRP. So Law said, I'm wondering if we will bounce at 6K. All right, I will get back to your question, Laws. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying, crypto. So Costa says, yes, if you I believe I'm saying your name right. I'm just calling you Al, right? Al da Costa. If you want to do crypto, just email me. I'm gonna put my email right here. So Ben, I'm gonna put my email address right there. Email me, Al da Costco. Email me if you want crypto. Oh, he said the logo for Ripple is new. Okay. Okay, yeah, I see it. Yes, they gotta have a new logo. Okay. Eric Mojet says, hey, hello Ben, been studying your course between work and home. That's the way to go, man. That's the way to go between work, cuz trust me, when I had a 9 to 5, all I did was I downloaded videos and audio courses onto my phone, and while I was going to work on a train, because I used to live in New York, I was listening to all these courses, and I was just studying while I was going to work. So instead of listening to music, I was listening to how to make money, you know? Okay, so let's get back to the charts. All right, so listen, in the bear market, they love to create these mini, I call these mini trends, right? The market looks like it's going to go up, but it doesn't. So if you look at this, this is Ethereum right here. You get these mini trends, right? And then it looks like it's trying to create a trend line, and it breaks the trend line, it goes back down, right? Boom. Then you have another one right here, another mini trend. This is how they trick people in the bear market, right? You see the market's going up, and it's holding the trend line, right? Until it breaks the trend line. So this is how they trick people in the bear market, right? They have these little mini trends that goes up, and then it looks like it's going to like create new highs, and next thing you know, they break the trend line and it goes right back down. So in the bear market, usually if it breaks this trend line, usually it goes right back to this low right here. So Ethereum most likely is going right back to this low. So most likely it's going to break the lows of this, which is what, 360, 340, what is it, 360, somewhere around there. So let's go to another one, XRP. XRP had a mini trend line right here, trying to fake people, acting like the market was going to go up, broke the trend line, and guess what, it went all the way back to the low. So usually when it breaks these trend lines, it go right back to these lows right here. Now another thing with XRP, guess what, they fooling people right here again. Another mini trend line. They trying to act like the market, they trying to act like, you know, XRP is going up, and then XRP broke this trend line, and guess what, XRP didn't hit this low yet, but for the most part, most likely we'll hit this low. Let's see if I see another one. Same thing, this is OMG. These mini trend lines break it. Now OMG, we didn't go below this low right here. This is the major low right here, but most likely we will. So this is how these bears, man, they are very smart. They love to trick you guys during the bear market. So you have to be aware of this stuff. So let's go to the comment and see what's going on. So Walter said, what state? Florida. And let me see. You said I lost my faith in chart. So you must be new to my channel then. What was it? Mesho? I believe I'm saying your name right. Mesho? Are you new to my channel? Okay, so do you think once Ethereum hits Coinbase is going to moon, should I buy a bunch? Lay low. Right now things look, nothing's look like none is a buy right now, put it like that. So Ethereum Classic, let's go to that real quick. Ethereum Classic is gonna, if you notice, even though it mooned after the news, it looks like it's gonna continue to go back down along with the market. So is it a good buy? I doubt it, in my opinion. I don't like it because the market is bearish, and I believe BTC will continue to go down. I think the first stop would be 4,400, and the second stop could be somewhere around here. So me personally, I'm not buying anything right now. Um, are you against day trading? What, day trading crypto or regular just day trading period? But you said, but it's going to be Coinbase. Yeah, I understand that. It don't matter if it's going to be Coinbase. You have to understand that we are in a bear market, so it doesn't matter what comes out. Kill switch. That's up to you. Kill switch. If you want to do USDT, I just use fiat. I get out and and take my profits from there. But you can do whatever you want to do. Crypto inspo. Are you going short again? Yeah, I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for the market to bounce back again. Okay, so let's go back to this guy Lalo, right? Um, okay, so you said nope. I have been following you 6 months, but I talk in general. So you talking about you lost faith in general? Why are you losing? Did you get the Did you get my course yet? Mesho? Because I'm quite sure the way you're talking that there's no way. Hey, you said EMC2. Hey Ben, can we pay in Bitcoin? Yes. Um, Let me copy and paste my email. EMC2. That's the email address right there. So email me and I'll give you the instructions if you want to pay in Bitcoin. Linux. You said will of course. I don't know because right now you need WinRAR to open it up. Open. I never used Linux before. So this guy said Arch. Arch says Coinbase just opened up an index fund open, just used for crypto. Money will be flooding. Okay, so um, that doesn't mean anything. All right, so guys, you have to understand, right? You have to understand that a bear market is one of the hardest markets to predict a bottom because these guys do not play, right? And just the same way that you guys right here were trying to say this was a bottom right here because we had this SEC meeting, and guess what? You got wiped out, right? You thought this was a bull market. Guess what? You're getting wiped out right now. So for all you guys that's talking about triple bottom, triangle breaks, all this stuff, you have to understand that when it comes to a bear market, it's very hard to predict the bottom. So as of right now, I'm not looking for no buys because I believe this thing is going to go down. Now check this out for a second. You have to understand that news, because what's this guy? What's this guy name? What is this guy name? Arch, right? Arch says, "Oh, big news! Coinbase just opened up index fund." You have to understand that news is not going to good news is not going to reverse this market. Good news never reverse a market. You know why? Because the market is not obvious. Let me say that again. The market is not obvious. The market, it can't be obvious because they need to be able to take your money. The market is designed to take your money. So it can't be obvious. The market can't be obvious. So if you hear good news come out, don't think that good news will reverse the market because it would be too easy. So always think about that. Anything that sounds too easy, like, oh my gosh, good news is coming out, the market's about to reverse. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to understand, you are going against people that has billions of dollars. And they need to take, in order for them to survive, they need to take your money. So let me say that again, because most people just don't understand. In order for the rich to survive, they need to take your money. So right now, the bear market is in, and they are taking a lot of people's money. So as a professional, what I do is I don't go against the trend. I never go against the trend, the major trend. The major trend is down right now. So I'm going along with the guys that got billions of dollars. Because once you go along with the guys that has billions of dollars, the odds is going to be on your side. And this is how me and my subscribers are making money. So I don't care what good news come out. It's not going to reverse the market because it's too obvious. It's too easy. It's too easy. Okay, let's go back to the and for you guys that just joined my channel and never basically watch any of my videos, I do this full time. I am a 10-year vet. I've been doing this for 10 years plus. So letting you guys know, this is what I do. Gauntlet said, big connect. So Sean said, listen, this is why. And Sean, listen, Sean, you must be new to my channel. You must be new to my channel, right? And I can't really keep on repeating myself, but you are one of the people. Sean says hodl. If you don't know because I'm reading right now, he says hodl. You won't lose money in the end. He says not everyone has the time like yourself to be on crypto 24/7, right? So listen, Sean. This is why most people lose, Sean. This is why most people lose, because you are only thinking one way, Sean. First of all, you have to understand that I'm holding crypto too. My subscribers is holding crypto, but we are not letting the market beat us. We're not letting the market take our money. We're going to let the market. We're going to make money now, because the way you're talking right now is just you know what buy and hold is? Buy and hold is a lazy strategy. I'm sorry to say it, but it's a lazy strategy, and it's a beginner strategy. So let me say that again. Buy and hold is a lazy strategy and is a beginner strategy, right? Because put it like this: when I decided to become successful in the market, I was doing things my way, and I was following the crowd, and basically I was losing money doing things my way and following the crowd, right? And I got tired of it. I said, you know what? I'm tired of losing money. So one day I said, you know what? I'm going to study and copy the rich. I'm going to study and copy the rich. I want to follow their exact steps, because I want to do the things that they are doing, because they are rich for a reason. Let me say that again. They are rich for a reason. So the rich, right? When the rich, what they do is when the market is going up, they buy it. And guess what? When the market goes down, they sell it too. So you have to, in order to become real successful at this, you have to know how to have multiple strategies and understand that the market doesn't go all the way up. So for all you guys that's talking about buy and hold, you have to understand that this market can actually continue to be in a bear market for the next 2 to 3 years. So while you at your 9 to 5 talking about, yeah, I'm a hold, right? We are here making money. This is what this is the difference between me and most of the YouTubers that's out now. your buy and hold strategy, you are just basically being lazy. You don't want to learn. You just think in one way. And I'm telling you guys that there's multiple ways to make money in the market. It's not just one way. So let me go back to the channel. Listen, guys, just think about it for a second. If you want to become rich, don't you have to follow the rich, right? You have to copy their steps. Because think about it. If you are doing something right now and if it was working, you'll be rich right now. But most people are losing money right now. So that means that you have to think about it. That means that, you know what? You have to say to yourself, you have to actually be honest with yourself. You know what? I'm not doing something right because I'm losing money. But me, at the same time that you are losing money, I took a trade right here. I told you I took a trade way before this trade went down. Go look at my live stream on Thursday. I said I'm looking to make 10 to 15 on this, and I'm out. So while you guys is losing money, me and my subscribers are making money, and I'm trying to shift most people, mind and trying to shift your thinking. Why wait another 2 to 3 years? You're talking about HODL. Why wait another 2 or 3 years while you can make money now? I know, I understand that cryptocurrency is going to turn bullish, but it might be another 2 to 3 years from now. All right, back to the back to chat. Let's go to the chat. So Craig said HODL only has worked for those that got into crypto in 2016. And he might be right, because for the people that's hodling right now, you have to understand that market that you was dealing with back in 2016, 2013, you have to understand that was a unregulated market. When this is over with, when Bitcoin most likely continue to go down more, this market most likely is going to be regulated. Because we have to deal with, you have to understand that we dealing with a lot of coins that are scams. So the market has to flush these guys out. That's why the market is going down, flushing these guys out. And while the market is going down, we can actually make money doing things that way. So let's go back to the chat. And for you guys that's new to my channel, I understand that you don't understand, the way that I'm talking, the things that I'm talking right now, like the things I'm talking about. I know it's hard to understand and try to make things, just try to just understand me and saying, you know what, he's probably right, but I don't know. My favorite YouTuber said, just hold. I don't know. He said it. So he has 20K subscribers or 60K subscribers. So I think I should listen to him. He told me to buy and hold. So I think I'm gonna buy and hold. But at the end of the day, your favorite YouTuber is not doing this full time. Yes, you said it's still unregulated. I understand that. I'm saying that once the market finished crashing, it might be regulated. That's what I'm saying. You don't see the government stepping in right now. The government is stepping in right now. You don't see that. Zachary said Tony Vay's been calling 5K for months. I heard about Tony Vay's. I don't know. I don't follow him though. And you said, yeah, I was like that when I first found you, but I study you, and now I don't watch them no more. Yeah, thanks a lot, Left Lane. Okay, so for you guys that's buying and holding, right? So you have to understand, you really have to understand how to read the charts, right? Because what's going to happen to most people is, right? And there's nothing wrong with cost dollar averaging, right? But when we are in a bear market, you really don't want to do that, because if you keep on adding on to your crypto, you can actually go broke doing that and lose a lot of money. And not only lose a lot of money, you're gonna run out of money. So, right, if you understand that we are in a bear market, then you understand that things can actually go lower. So if you, because most people, they bought right here, right? They bought right here because they say, oh, no way, market is going down to 8,000. So they bought right here. So when it went to 8,000, they said, okay, I'm gonna buy at 8,000. And then when it went to 6,000, they was like, oh man, I gotta buy here. And so the market went up, so they start feeling good. Start feeling good. Yeah, baby. The market's about to turn bullish. Let's get it. Let's get it. Right? So when it went above 10,000, do you know how many people bought right here? A lot of people went because they thought the market was gonna turn bullish again. So guess what? Dollar cost averaging, they buying this thing up, and now the market's going down. They like, man, I don't believe this. Why do the markets keep going down? I mean, okay, let's buy some more. Okay, let's buy some more. I'm gonna buy some more right here. There's no way the market's gonna go down. Then the market goes up a little bit. They say, oh yes, see, I told you I was right. And guess what? The market's go right back down. They go, no, what's going on? All right, I'm gonna buy some more. And then the market goes back up. And then yes, it looks like it's gonna pass 10,000. You know what? Let's buy some more right here. And let's see what's going on, because I know this thing is going to 20K again. So they buy it, and guess what? It's going back down. And they say, man, this is crazy. I can't believe this. You know what? My favorite YouTuber said it's a triple bottom right here. So you know what? I'm going to buy right here. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. My favorite YouTuber said this is a triple bottom. So I'm going to buy right here. So I'm going to buy some more. And guess what? The market is going down. So you have to understand, when you're dealing with a bear market, if you keep on adding on to your position, you can actually go broke and lose your money doing that, because the market can actually go down further. So for you guys that's talking about, oh, buy more or hold, guys, you can actually go broke doing this stuff. So why go broke and learn how to read the market, go along with the market, and make money? So let's go to the chat and see what's going on. Colin says 100%, 100% respect. Thanks a lot, Colin. Romeo said, best advice, follow how the rich play the market. Exactly, Romeo. You're welcome. He said, thanks, man. You're welcome. Because think about it, they are rich for a reason. Let me say that again. They are rich for a reason. And the reason is they are the ones that buy, and they're the ones that sell. So why try to do things your way? How's that working out for you? Doing things your way. Stop doing things your way, because if you was doing things right, you would be on a yacht somewhere right now, living in life. So follow the rich, man. They are rich for a reason. This market is not just all about buying and holding. I understand that you love crypto. I love crypto too. I'm holding crypto too. I'm not a long-term bear, but I will go along with the rich. If we are in a bear market, I'm going along with the rich, and my subscribers are going too. That's why they're making money right now. Okay, so let's go back to the comments. So Dom says RSI Bitcoin. Oh no, Bitcoin is not oversold at all. It might bounce back up a little bit, just do a bounce, but and might continue to go back down. That's all you've seen. But anyway, Ben has talked about buying his course. Let me see. Ben has talked about buying up his first course as well. Let me see what's going on in the chat. Okay, so Jose said, I was a hodler, but I finally learned how to sell high, buy low, accumulate strategies, trying to profit, get in better positions. I cannot stand watching my TRX ocean dip. Good stuff, Ben. Thanks a lot, Jose. I appreciate it. And that's what made me switch. When I first started, investing in my early years, I was like, man, I'm trying to do things my way, and it's not working out. And I said, I can't. I want to learn what the rich is doing. And these guys are buying and selling. You have to know how to do both. Let's go back to the chat. Oh boy. Yes, Glenn. You can hold and short at the same time, of course. Crypto Inspo said too much garbage on YouTube. Yup. TRX. He said TRX going to 15 in July. Oh man, you know how many videos, man? I see that TRX is going to $25 in August. I'm like, come on, guys. I like Tron too, but come on, you're gonna say $25? Let's be real now. You just trying to get views. Ah, boy. Connor, talk so much sense, Ben. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. So Dom says, Ben, who's your favorite YouTuber? You talking about as in crypto? I don't know. I don't know if it's any real crypto YouTuber that I like. I just laugh at most of these guys. Mason says, I appreciate you taking the time to help us. No problem, man. Thanks a lot. I love my mortgage paid off by crypto more than crypto. Facts. So Kill Switch says, how much lower will Tron go, Ben? I don't know. Tron can actually shoot. Tron can definitely hit the 3 cents again. 3 to 2 cents again if the market continue to go back down. Colin says Doug Polk. That guy Doug, he's not really a crypto guy anyway. Because if you notice, Doug, I mean, he's a funny guy. Don't get me wrong, he's a real funny guy. But Doug, he disappears when crypto goes down. If you notice that, as soon as crypto goes down, you don't see Doug make videos. He's a funny guy though. I'm giving him that. Doug's a funny guy. But he disappears when crypto goes down. And this is why I said, guys, for all your guys that's Doug playing poker. Yeah, I know he's a poker player. For all your guys that just coming into the chat room, I have a discount going on with my product. My original price is $210, but only for this live stream is 50% off. Right now is $110. So you definitely want to take advantage because I'm the only guy in crypto land that's talking about how to make money now. how to make money when the market is going up and down. I just made, let me zoom in right here. I just made 15K off of this trade right here using the same patterns that I talk about in this course. And I called this way before it went down. And I told the guys, okay, I said I'm looking to make 10 to 15 off this one. I didn't think it was going to go down this fast. I thought maybe in July I was going to get something. But this thing kept going down. So if you want to take advantage of this right now, I copy and paste the link. My subscribers is telling me that they want me to up the price up to 350. So I might think about it. But if you want to take advantage of it, take advantage of it now. I copy and paste the link. Kill switch. I just copy and paste the link. Gauntlet says it's a still. It is a still. I definitely should be charging $400 easy. But anyway, let's go back to the charts. Can you explain how is bottom? What do you mean? He said, can you explain how is bottom? Check 58. Okay, so Mesho, I believe I'm saying your name right. Mesho. I think you're talking about, I think you're trying to say, is 58 a bottom? Levi says, real talk, respect. Thanks a lot, Levi. I appreciate you coming to the live stream. So you say 58 is a bottom. So let's go to the daily chart. 58, no, I don't think it's the bottom. I think that could be support, meaning I think it's a possibility that the market could actually, when it breaks this low right here, or if it breaks this low, we might see a bounce. Now that bounce might just be a short bounce, and most likely we'll probably continue to go back down. You guys, you have to understand. Let me say it again, just in case you forgot what I was saying before. The market is designed to take your money. So if something looks easy, that means that most likely it's a 90% chance that it's not going to work, especially in the bear market. So if you see a triple bottom, because think about it, every rookie is trying to time the bottom. So these guys, these rich guys, they know that. So what they do, they create these illusions, right? Trying to shake you out, trying to make you think one way, and they pretty much doing the opposite. So I don't think none of this stuff is a triple bottom. I don't think we are going to reverse at these levels. I think we are going to go lower. I think this is a triangle break to go down, not a triangle break to go up. And you're seeing it right now. The market is going down. Red day. I mean, we had this big. There's nothing bullish about this, guys. Let me go up. Let me zoom in a little bit. We had this this big dump the other day, right? And then after that, the market never recovered. So it looks like the market, this whole week, the market might sell off. So there's nothing bullish about that. There's nothing bullish about the market going up. So you have to understand, we could have went bullish already. We should have went bullish right here when we were trying to go up. And we couldn't even pass the 10,000 mark. We should have. This was the sign right here. This is, if we was trying to go bullish right here, this was it right here. This move right here. But we didn't have enough steam, and then the market continued to go back down. But this was the move right here. We should have continued to make higher highs and then go up to 20K. But the market is weak. We are in a bear market. guys, I talk about it in my course. We have the market has cycles. You have to understand that the market can't go up forever, and we have bear markets. You have to understand bear markets doesn't, it can last up to a year or two or even 3 years or even more. So you have to understand that bear markets just don't reverse like that. It could last the same. It could last a year or two or even more. So don't try to get your hopes up on trying to time the bottom. This is what I'm trying to tell my subscribers. Don't try to time the bottom, because most likely you will lose. Because the people that's dollar cost averaging right now, they pretty much they pretty much out of money right now. They don't have no more money to buy if it goes lower. Right? They lost all their money. So they don't have enough money to go if it goes lower, they don't have enough money. So that's why it's very important to understand how to read the market, how to read the charts. The charts literally changed my life. I can open up my laptop and trade and make money just because by just by looking at the chart. Because charts, they have patterns inside of it, and these patterns repeat over and over and over. So stop looking for the bottom. Nobody knows the bottom. The bottom could be somewhere down here. So you have to be patient, and you have to understand that the market doesn't just reverse. So let's go back to the chat. So Laura says we need tons of new money and volume to come back to break this trend. Exactly. Tons. He said the right word, tons. And right now, what's the market cap? 272. I mean, come on. Litecoin. If you notice, Litecoin broke its low already. And then now we're going down. So I'm thinking like everybody's going to break their lows. So in around, what is this, March, we created lows because the market had a nice little up run. And I think pretty much all these cryptocurrencies will blow past these March lows. Bitcoin is right there. We like a couple of hundred, points away. So most likely we will take out this low right here. And if we take out this low, it don't have to bounce. This is another thing you have to understand. If we wipe out this low, we don't have to bounce. I'm just saying there's a possibility it might bounce, but that we can actually just blow past this low and continue to go down. But we'll see. Let's go to the chat room. So Dr. Collins says there's something called market manipulation. Dr. Collins, you must be new to my channel. Dr. Collins, you are new to my channel, and I'm not a bear. Dr. Collins is saying I'm too bearish, right? But what Dr. Collins don't know is I do this full time. I've been doing this for 10 years. So imagine me, Dr. Collins, imagine me coming to your job that, let's say that you've been working at your job for 10 to 15 years. Imagine me coming to your job and say, hey guy, man, you don't know what you're talking about. You're probably laughing at my face. Because people that don't do this for a living, is nothing that you can actually say to me at all. Impossible. Because I've been showing you multiple videos how I'm making money. My subscribers are telling you how they making money from my course. So I'm okay, right? I have multiple videos showing you levels on my chart that I'm looking at, and then when price hits those levels, all of a sudden prices is bouncing like crazy. I'm the guy that's showing you that. So you must be new, Dr. Collins. He said, yeah, those two, you said teenagers with Lambos acting like they know all during the bull market when it disappeared during the bearish market. I know, exactly. People disappear when there's a bearish market. You know, when the bears come, they disappear. You know how many channels that I see that people don't even upload no more. They don't upload no any videos. They disappear because they don't understand what's going on. They thought the market only goes up. So 45, I just bought your program. Time to break the status quo in the crypto thinking. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. And then start thinking like the rich. I'm excited. Thanks. Appreciate the support, man. Listen, that was the game changer for me. That was the game changer, you know, for me. Like I said to myself, I have to start thinking like the rich. Because you had to understand, I used to work 12 hours a day, sometimes 13 hours a day. And I used to travel 2.5 hours just to get to work and 2.5 hours just to get back to work. I mean, come back home. So the whole day add up to like maybe 15 to 16 hours. I was out my house. When I used to come back home, I used to be so tired because I had to wake up 3 a.m. in the morning time and repeat the process. So I had to wake up 3 a.m. to repeat the process. When I wake up, it's dark outside. When I come back home, it's dark outside. Right? So when I'm investing in marketing and trading, I said, you know what? I'm tired of losing money. There's had to be another way. So I'll say, you know what? I'm tired of doing things my way. I want to see what these guys that's actually making money, how they doing it. And it seems like people, they just want to follow people just want to follow the people that's popular on YouTube. If they have 100K subscribers, automatically, you know, they follow what they say. But you have a guy right here that has close to 6,000 subscribers, and I'm doing this full time, but you know, I don't get that many views like they get. So automatically people start saying, I don't know, you know, I don't know about this guy. Arch says, hey Ben, you already made so much, give us a discount, bro. What do you mean? God, Arch wants the course for $20. Come on, are you serious, B? Nah, man. You have to understand, I can charge $400 for this course. Where's Crypto Inspo? Crypto Inspo, you left? Oh, you still in the building? 45 says 10 to 12 hours a day, 6 days a week. Sounds like me. Yeah, so you so 45, you know the deal. Jure Fletcher said, "Man, I work 16 a day. Sometimes I'm sick of the rat race." I understand, Fletcher. I understand. Trust me, I was sick of the rat race too. What's up, Sandy? How you doing, Sandy? He said, "What's good, Ben? Just getting in." Where you coming from? Work, Sandy? Um, why not buy in the red, Fletcher? You must be new to my channel. You know, I know crypto. He's on crack talking about the course for $20. He crazy. Um, Fletcher, you said why not buy to in the red? I already explained to you that, Fletcher, because we are in a bear market, and if you understand a bear market, it can last to up to a year to 2 years to 3 years. So while you're buying in a bear market, you can actually lose all your wealth. So let's say that you have 10 grand in your account right now, and you're buying every time the market's going low, or when you start to see the market rising. You can actually lose your whole wealth. You don't have enough money to continue to keep on buying every time it goes lower. Eventually, you will run out of money. That's what I'm trying to say, and it could actually continue to go lower. You know how many people kept buying right here, and when it go up, they kept buying. They kept buying. You see this whole consolidation right here. You know how many people just lost their whole bank account right here because they kept buying. And then once this thing crack, they're gonna buy some more. And then they don't have no more. No, they don't. After that, they're not gonna have no more money to buy anything. And then they will have to sit for another 2 to 3 years to wait for a bull run. And I'm showing you how to make money now. You can actually make money now, Fletcher. Okay, so Al DaCosta says, you keep dodging my question. What question do you have, Al DaCosta? Good evening. What's up, Michael Kelly? Exactly, Clive. Exactly. So Classy Men said, "What support are you looking for?" I'm looking. I'm not actually looking for support. Meaning, I'm not looking for any type of reverse. But my when the market's going down, my first stop would be at 4,400, and then the second one be probably around 35 to 3,000. That's the second stop. But you have to understand, even if it hits, let's say it hits 3,000, right? It's not going to reverse right away. It's gonna take a while to reverse, right? Because it's going to chop around, and that's going to be like another year or so. So while you guys is waiting, we are making money. So MJ said, MG. I'm sorry, MG says, was about to buy more crypto until seeing your live stream. Must appreciate it. No problem. I'm just trying to help people out. That's all. Fletcher says, I'm buying the course. Thanks a lot, Fletcher. For the new guys that just came in, there's a discount on the course. So I'll copy and paste. 50% discount on this course. I'm the only guy in the crypto world that's showing you how to make money now, when the market's going up or down. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage. It is what it is at the end of the day. I just copy and paste the link. So let's go back to these questions. Hey Ben, I bought both of your courses. I'm looking forward to watching your new course. All right, thanks a lot, Daniel Gray. So transfer said K transfer says does this apply to TRX? Yes. Even with the price so low, yes. So TRX, where's TRX at right now? Let me see. TRX is at 4 cents. So he said even with the price so low, does this apply to TRX? And unfortunately, yes, it does. I wish it didn't. But if you notice, every crypto follows Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's going down, Tron has to go down too. So a 2 cent Tron, a 1 cent Tron, don't be surprised. That's why I told people when that mainnet came out, when the news came out, don't be, don't get scared and don't take profit. Like a lot of people said, I don't want to take profits now. I said, don't get scared. Like I didn't say sell all your Tron. You can take some profits off the table. Of course, I'm not giving you financial advice. This is entertainment only, but that's what the professionals do. They take profits. Especially in the bear market, you definitely want to take your profits. All right, let's see what's going on in the chat. Annette says, also, I love your course. Thanks a lot, man. I believe I'm saying your name right. Is it Annette? I believe I'm saying the name right. But thanks a lot. I appreciate it. So you said, would a share market crash mean some money would go the way of crypto market? Can you explain what you mean? You mean are people is the money is going to come to the crypto market? What do you mean, Craig? Okay, so he said, I keep hearing that the miners will have a harder time profiting BTC if the price drops below 6K. It doesn't matter because you have to understand the real miners, like the big miners, they have a lot of BTC, and they are. You have to understand the rich, the rich work together. So most of these miners, the big miners, they probably are selling the market too. So the big miners don't care if it get hard. If they don't make no profit from mining if the market drops, because they already made a lot of money from the market going up, and most likely they selling the market too. So it doesn't matter. Now the smaller miners, yeah, they probably gonna feel it, of course. But the rich don't care about the small people. BTC, what is it? A says BTC bull trap. Yeah, definitely. It could be a. I mean, we is it bouncing right now? Let me see. Well, it's trying to bounce. You see this green bar right here? So, but we remember we had that green bar right here too. And next day, red bar. So you can't get fooled by these green bars. Oh man, that's funny. Arch says, "Yo, be right." He said, "Be right back. I'm a watch Superman. See what he's saying." Superman, Superman's gonna tell you probably to buy the market. Guys, man, it's funny. July will begin a roller coaster. Yeah, July could be crazy. It could be July could be a crazy year. We in June right now. Yeah, July could be. I mean, a crazy month. July could be crazy right now, man. Because this is, June is they selling off in June, so July might be crazy. It could be a roller coaster. Buy an ICO, exactly. That's all your YouTube is gonna say. Yeah, hey, I got these ICOs. Buy this ICO. That's what you probably about to watch. Allah says hope so for July. Yeah, I hope so too, man. So we can make this money. So we all can make this money. So I'm out my trade, guys. I'm out my trade. I didn't think this trade was gonna be this quick, but it is what it is. You know, some days, some trades is this quick because the market was running slow. That's why I didn't think I was gonna get it that quick. But I mean, what bank could give you that 7 times your money? No bank could give you that ever. So that's why it's very important to learn how to trade the market, learn the skills, learn how to read the market, read the charts, because this is a skill. And the good thing about this skill is you can actually learn it. You don't have to be, talented like a singer or anything. Like singers, they are born with that talent. But with this, you don't have to be born with the talent. You just have to learn it, and that's it. Alrighty, so let's go. And I'm about to end soon. Get ready for get some sleep. How long? Okay, so Al DaCosta says, how long was this trade? How many days? So it was on the 4th, and it lasted today. So you could say like a week or a week and a half. Yes, exactly. It is crazy. But you have to understand, Al. It's making 15 grand is crazy in a week, but you have to understand that this wasn't overnight. Like you know, it took me a long time to know how to read this chart, and now I'm giving you guys the chance to actually know how to read the charts. And my students that bought the course, they're already making money. So this is all because I know how to read the charts. If I was listening to your guys' favorite YouTubers, and most of these guys are saying, "Yo, don't worry, just be patient. The market will turn bullish again." If I listen to these guys, I'll just be right here losing money, right? If I didn't know how to read the chart, know that we are in a bear market, and go along with the bear market, I wouldn't be making money right now, and you wouldn't be making money right now. So as long as once you know how to read the charts, understand we're in a bear market, understand that this triangle that most people thought that it was going to break up to the top, it looks like a triangle to the downside. So if this triangle breaks, man, shoot, that's a lot of money. So but it might break and it might pull back to the breakout and then continue to go back down. So that pullback right here to the breakout could be a lot of money for a lot of people, because they have the they can actually short that pullback, so they can make money when the market continue to go back down. So let's go to the chat. I'm about to get out of here. Law says, Ben, you warned us about this over a week ago. Of course, I did. I warned you about a week ago, but I also was saying, guys, we are in a bear market in March. some guy said, "Yo, man, what are you talking about? We not in the bear market. This is when the market was going up right here, and it hit 11,000." He's like, "Yo, what are you talking about? We not in the bear market." And you wanna hear something funny? He comment he replied back. He said, "You know what? You was right. We are in the bear market." He said, "So what do you think? You think we gonna do a triple bottom? What do you think?" Oh man, that's funny. Exactly. Wells tried to active. You said active your stop loss. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Arch, you're back. Crypto Inspo says too so much garbage on YouTube. You're right. It is so much garbage on YouTube. Crypto Inspo, thanks for the support, man. But guys, I'm getting tired. I didn't really get that much sleep last night, so I'm about to hit the bed. But if you guys want to stay up late, make sure you study the charts. Um, study your craft, become a master, because you have to understand learning is about mastery. You want to master your craft. Most people are just, that's why I really, you know, I hate when people just talk about buy and hold, because it's hard to master your craft when you just buy and holding, because buy and hold is a lazy strategy. It doesn't that strategy, you could be anybody and use that strategy. You can be a 10-year-old and use that strategy, because only thing you're doing is buying, and then you're not looking at the market. Maybe a week, every week you're looking at the market, but that's it. How can you master your craft? By being lazy. So in order to master your craft, you have to understand the markets, how it works, the different cycles. If the market is changing, is the market reversing? Are we in a bear market? Are we in a bull market? That's how you master your craft. Not by listening to a guy that has 100K subscribers and he don't do this full time. Oh, he make his money from views. That's it, and reviewing ICOs. Anyway, guys, so you said, what is the duration of the course? Does it also provide a buy and sell signals? No, I don't do buy and sell signals, because I give you everything. I give you all the patterns that I have all the patterns that I use. I give it to you. You said looking like a ghost town on YouTube. Sandy said looking like a ghost town. Yeah, I know. Yeah, but anyway, guys. I'm about to get out of here. I'm sleepy. I'm getting tired. So if you don't have the course, check it out. There's a discount right now. After this live stream is over, an hour from now, this is going right back up to 210. And according to Crypto Inspo, I need to change this to $400. So I might think about that. But I'm gonna copy and paste the link if you want to take advantage of this. This course is going to teach you how to make money when the market's going up and down. The same way I made 15K in a week and a half right here. I use the same pattern in that course, right? So if you want to check out, that's up on you. I'm not. I don't force nobody to do anything. That's your choice. But right here, the market was going up. Couldn't make another a new high right here. Took a short right here, and boom, 7 times my money. I'm out. And only reason why I held this long, guys, just to let you know, only reason why I held this long, I usually don't hold this long, but the reason why I held that long is because I felt like the market was going to break out this triangle. right? Because most people was talking about the market was going to reverse and go up. So if you know anything about listening to everybody else, then you know that the majority is usually wrong. So I'm going against majority because that's what the rich does, right? So I held because I believe that the market was going to test this low, but I'm out. So I don't need to hold until the market tests this low. But if that was a regular trade, I would have been out way before that trade. So just letting you guys know that. But anyway, guys, have a good night. Eric, have a good night. MG, have a good night. Crypto Inspo, have a good night. Lars, Mr. Sandy, KG. Who else? Crypto Investing. You said what I think about Coinbase and their new index fund. I don't think nothing about it. I think it's, like, how can you have an index fund in cryptocurrencies right now, especially in this bear market? Because it would be okay if the market was like a stock market where some things go up some days, some things go down. But if you notice, for the most part, everything follows BTC. So I don't understand, was like, how can you, like, you can actually create your own fund. Like, I wouldn't even depend on Coinbase. They're not doing nothing special. Anyway, good night, everybody. Al DaCosta, who else? D Lion, Arch, Annette, everybody. I'm quite sure I'm forgetting Connor, Classy, Clive, everybody. Good night, man. Have a good night. If you're gonna stay up, exactly. You don't need 10K to get into crypto. Once you get my course, you can, I tell you about jaffx.com. You can fund it with $50, and that's it. But of course, if you want to fund it more with more money, then that's on you. But anyway, good night, guys. Daniel, Mesho, Grit Gains. Good night, man. Take care. And guys, make this money, and continue to study the rich, because they are rich for a reason. And don't get fooled by them, because they love to take your money. These guys love to take your money. So definitely don't let them take your money. So guys, thank you for watching my stream. Have a good night, and talk to you guys later.